Jason secures the Cisco Catalyst 3560 power over Ethernet switches into the server rack, carefully disassembling sections of the rack to plan the placement of the VMware vSphere 8 ESXi East and West servers. Both ESXi hosts will utilize Layer 3 capabilities to communicate, forming the backbone of the home's cyber range. This lab environment will serve as a hands-on training ground for the Cybersecurity and Network Engineering Associate in Science degree program at Valencia State College. Once the hardware is installed, Jason mounts the 10-outlet PDU Power Strip in the back of the rack. Each outlet is labeled 1 through 10, ensuring a structured power-on sequence that is critical for proper DHCP functionality. The video will conclude with documenting the correct power sequence to prevent network conflicts and ensure seamless startup. With the infrastructure in place, automation takes center stage. The network automation with scripting languages course aligns perfectly with this project by introducing network automation and software-defined networking (SDN). Python scripting and Ansible will be used to automate switch configurations, implement VLANs, and manage DHCP settings efficiently. Through this automation, students will gain experience in DevOps integration for network management, interface parsing, and IPv6 migration, all key components in maintaining a robust and secure data center. The course also provides preparation for the Red Hat Certified Engineer (RHC) certification, reinforcing the practical application of these automation skills. Security is a critical component of the cyber range, seamlessly integrating with the ethical hacking course. This course expands on cybersecurity fundamentals, focusing on penetration testing using Kali Linux. Within the lab environment, students will explore the methodologies of a penetration test, conduct network vulnerability scans, and simulate real-world attacks such as MITM, also known as on-path attacks, and ARP spoofing. The ESXi-hosted virtual machines will provide a safe space for testing security implementations, allowing Jason to practice securing and monitoring network devices. The hands-on approach will help develop the problem-solving skills necessary for entry-level security positions, including Information Security Specialist, Information Security Analyst, and Network Security Administrator. With the lab environment fully operational, the power-on sequence will be documented, and final network testing will be conducted. The home cyber range now stands as a fully functional platform for network automation, cybersecurity training, and real-world simulations, offering a solid foundation. Now onto the video track. Alto Nivel de Conciencia, original mix.
Alto nivel de conciencia.